So check this out. Somebody wrote me on YouTube. Her name was Christine. She said, Sal, I love the toaster oven stuff. What else do you got? I loved flavored coffees. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make the ultimate flavored coffee just for Christine. As a matter of fact, I even invited her down today. This is cookies and cream flavored coffee. The best cookies, the best creamy flavor, and all combined with coffee. A nice, delicious iced coffee. Watch how simple this is. It's so simple, it's so easy. You get your typical black and white cookie. We won't use any names. And take this in an ice cube tray and just crush it up. Just crush up the cookie. One cookie can fill about 2 holes, and I'm gonna fill another 2 right here. No mess, no fuss, no plates. If the kids do it, mom and dad won't scream that you're messing up the counter and everything else. Take some milk after that, pour it in on top of the cookies, just like that. And this is cookies and cream combined, and obviously we are turning this into ice cubes. From there, you take your cookies and milk ice cubes, or soon to be ice cubes, and you throw it in the freezer. What I like to do is I like to prepare the cookies and the milk the night before. This way when I wake up, I just pop it out of the tray and pour it over my coffee. So I'm back with Christine, who requested a flavored coffee. The cookies and milk ice cubes are done, Christine.
And they look great.
Thank you very much. They look really good. Now let's take some hot coffee and pour it right over it. Oh man, isn't that great? That's basically it, and here we have it. You don't have to add sugar, obviously, or milk to this, because it's all in there. And here we go. It's cookies and cream flavored coffee from my friend Christine.